Stamped her name on a one-way flight, chasing red earth daybreak, dust on her shoes, but her eyes so bright. Found a hill with a wide sky, said right here's where my roots can grow. Laid one brick, then another, turned that dream into her home. This is Kinza in the motherland, bare feet dancing on her own red sand. Got a house, got a heart, got a handful.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's been a while. Yes, this is Kinza Babe. I came back to my compound. It's been a while, right? But I'm going again. It's been raining so much, the roads are torn up, and I've been having to do therapy on my shoulder. So I've been staying in Tuba. I haven't been coming back because of the roads, and I came back, and guess what? The car got stuck. So I should have stayed instead of me going back and forth in the rain. So that's why you guys haven't been seeing me. So, but now I have to go on a motor because the car is stuck. So guys, I'll take you along maybe today and see what happens. So let's go. Red dirt on her shoes, heart stuck in between. Found a hill with a wide, wide view. Said this is where my dreams come true. Built a home with her two hands, stone by stone in the hot white sand. On Kinza's little farm in Africa, morning wakes in a golden light. Busting diamond dancing in the doorway, ghosts laughing at the birds in flight. On Kinza's little farm in Africa, every day a brand new song. Matilda, Houdini running around the garden. This is where a wild heart belongs. Yeah, this is where a wild heart belongs. Yeah. Post patrols the cage, diamond guards the gate. Two small furry shadows, always staying up too late. Hey, Matilda chews on everything. Houdini slips through every ring. Kinza just laughs, shakes her head. Crumbs of bread on the milking shed. On Kinza's little farm in Africa, morning wakes in a golden light. Person diamond dancing in the doorway. No matter where you go this morning, there's traffic just moving. This is the worst I've ever seen it. Now I'm on the Trotro. Alright, this morning. You guys don't want to see. It was so bad. Came through, we're driving through English and Manfum. This is their market. Take a shortcut. Still on the church road. Finally made it to West Hills. He almost forget me, dropping me off here at the bus stop by KFC. Now I'm heading to the mall. Like I said earlier in the beginning of the video, I just been getting therapy on my shoulder. You guys know this been going on for a while. On in traffic. Well, everyday traffic with the rain these days, how bad the roads are. Ain't no way anybody passing in Akuti by my junction, close to my junction. It's deadlocked, nobody moving, people out the car, they can't move. Guys, I'm back at West Hill walking. Look at the traffic in the back. Okay? I don't know how I getting back home. I might just be spending the night here in Tuba again. I don't know. I maybe shouldn't have come out. Or just stay at Tuba, right? For this rainy season because I can't be back and forth in this traffic and this muddy mess. So now I didn't get to take a video of my car stuck in the mud by my house. Okay, just coming in my road, it's stuck. At least it's home, right? And not someplace here in the middle of traffic. I tell you, this rainy season is a test. Let me tell you guys who move in here and think about moving to Ghana. When we tell you, people don't listen clearly, you know. People think we're joking, and they end up bad when they see it on videos. But when I tell you, the roads are bad, okay? When I tell you, there's potholes everywhere and the roads are not paved, they're not paved. Listen carefully. Don't come think you're going to stay someplace and the road's going to be nice. Don't get me wrong. Accra, some roads are paved, but they flood still in Accra, okay? So they're having issues in Accra also. Not only out here. So plan carefully, and if you can't deal with it, don't come, like I always say. Don't come if you can't deal with it, okay? Anyway, I made it here, but going back, I don't know. So I'm here at West Hills. Look at these. I have these in my nursery. They just weeded here. Look at them. They're so nice. And I have these red ones. The yellow ones didn't survive, but the red ones did. They look like they're going to have a program here. But they look like they weeded or just planted these here. But I like the other ones, the bigger flowers. You guys know I have both, right? I like the bigger flowers better. So, you know I'm always looking at plants, but I can't take any because I know how I get home, they won't survive. So I'm early because I didn't know what time I was going to get here. So I'm going to have me a cup of coffee. Hopefully they're open because it's like 9 o'clock, right? I'm an hour early because it took me what, 2 hours, 3 hours to get here. And thank God I came on the motor, so it didn't take me that long. But if I had come by car, we wouldn't have been here. I wouldn't have been here, honestly, because it's not moving at all. Look at what I found. You know, as a kid, this one is not good, but these are flamboyant trees. Flamboyant trees. You see the pads? So in the islands, we would pick these and they shake. This one is not a good one. And we would paint them up nice. Good for church, make church music, or we call them shack, okay? If you're from the VI, you remember shack? That's these. Flamboyant tree. We had these and we would make swings because they make a good shade tree. And then we used to use the flowers and play a game with the flowers. Anyway, I'm just reminiscing on my days in the islands. Gonna bring those memories back. Okay. I'm at the coffee shop. Sorry for the finger. I'm going to have me some coffee. I don't think I'm having anything to eat right now. It's too early for me. I'll come back later to probably, I like their wings. They're pricey. Look at their prices. Jollof rice is, assorted jollof rice is $165. So, I'm at Kent's coffee shop. I made it through the rush. the traffic, the blocks. Choke, choke, choke. The best latte here in Ghana. Hadn't had a latte like this any place in Ghana. It's delicious. That's why I come here. So I'm done with my King's coffee, which is so good. I'm heading over to see about if the therapist is there. This looks like it has something to do with football. Maybe they're watching World Cup. You know, it's World Cup. Ooh, it's slippery. Jeez, I'm foul here. Nearly twist my knee. Anyway, these tiles they put everywhere and they're slippery, especially when they're wet. So off I go again to therapy. So guys, I'm sitting here at the mall, pick up some banku and chicken wings. I never had banku with chicken wings. So I'm trying this today, heading back to Tuba because ain't no way I getting home right now, you know, but therapy was good. Pain is still there, ain't going no place. Hopefully it go away pretty soon. I just have to be on top of it and doing some exercise. So that's it here at West Hills. Well, hello YouTube. It's been a while. Yes, I've been inside. Haven't been outside. Rain, 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 rain. So we taking a walk down the hill, going look at an apartment. So we walk in to see if we could find it. So I'm out and about, so I might come and bring some clips with us walking in the neighborhoods. Okay, so stay tuned, guys. Stopping and looking at these buildings that they're building up here. And there are 2 bedrooms on this side, 1 bedroom on this side, and then these are the opposite.
This one here, the bottom one. You see
No,
how many
it look
windows?
like they look like the whole thing is the 2 bedroom. That's why.
Yeah, this one.
So now they kind of
Excuse me.
switch it around here. These are beautiful apartments, but the problem is with a rainy season like this coming up the hill. I found this little provision store I've been going to. Yeah, look at the transportation. Well, over here, right here ain't that bad, but it's coming up the other hill is the problem. Yeah, these some big pillars. I like that grand pillar. So we just walking through neighborhoods here, exploring, getting out the house today and checking out the other side. We always come up the other hill. This is the cold store if you need meat. Have everything. And we continue. We getting somewhere. More buildings, more buildings, more buildings. Going up. Walking through neighborhoods. Look at this building. This is nice. This is where how my gate is going to look, but a little different. Matching my gate. Nice building. Look at this house with the stones. A lot of buildings going up. It's just the roads. That's the main road there. Okay? How can people pass it? You want to see a stream, we just pass. Ah. Look at that building. We out here trying to get a car to take us up the hill. You get on a bike? That's the question. Because I will. Guys, I'm back. Yes, outside again, heading down to West Hills. I don't know how I'm getting there. You know, the rain has been an issue, blocking up roads. And it's not easy, okay? Getting up hills in the mud, as you guys could see earlier in my video, where my car was stuck in the mud. So, it is what it is. It's a bad rainy season. So I'm heading to the mall today to get a haircut. I need a haircut before I do venture back home, if I could make it back home. And before I go for my last therapy, I'm over the therapy. I'm ready to go home. Anyway, I'll bring you guys along as usual. If anything excited pop up, I'll bring it to you. So see you guys soon. Bye-bye. I made it to the bottom of the hill. I'm heading to see if I could either get a taxi, but I might just jump on the trotro. I'm the bottom of the hill by Perryman, going to the junction. Guys, let you see my face. So I was passing here at Tuba Junction and the tire guy recognized me. He stopped me. You know, he used to make some money off of us with those tires, okay? So down here with these potholes, these cars would come so close to you. I have to be careful. I'm telling you, this road is so bad now, okay? But this is my old stamping ground. At the
This is Kinside in the motherland. Bare feet dancing on a red sand. Got a house, got a heart, got a handful of land. Oh, she's pale. Every sunrise, write a brand new line. The story that was waiting in the soil to find. Kinside in the motherland. Hand in hand. Us on the porch, tail touching. Diamond hiding in the shade.
Alright, I'm on my regular route over to the mall, walking as usual. Very familiar scenes.
Ghosts calling from the far field. Better not be late. This is Kinside, the motherland. Bare feet dancing on a red sand.
I didn't know it was in my face, guys. Sorry about that. I'm trying to turn the camera around. I am here at West Hills, as usual.
Kinside, the motherland. Hand in hand.
They're doing promotion for the football, the FIFA World Cup. In here, of course, it's full of music. I'm going in here to Decathlon just to see. Oh, it looks like it's $2.49 for a Ghana jersey here. Too much music. So I stopped. It's hot. I needed a break. I walk all the way from over there. It's sticky, you know, humid. So I started to sweat. Need a break. Time for a haircut. So guys, I'm at the beauty salon, waiting to get my hair cut again. Trying to keep it down low and not shaggy. It's done already, a little shaggy. But yeah, at my old place where I used to always go. It's music, so let me go. Honor you, my destiny. Destiny, know you can really call it. I wanna use my destiny. I wanna use my destiny. Finished with my haircut and my eyebrows. Heading upstairs. I think that's what I'm going to do for some popcorn. I feel like some nice movie theater popcorn. I came up here and it looked like they're going to watching some FIFA World Cup games over here.
Say right here's where my roots can grow. Lay one brick, then another. Turn that dream into a home. This is Kinza in the motherland.